I'm gonna have to say, you know what guys, this thing sucks. Hey, what's up everybody? How you doing today? Today we're gonna check out a handheld vacuum. This is the Shark UltraCyclone Pet Pro Plus. Alright, this claims to be lightweight at only 2.8 pounds. It also comes with a motorized pet power brush that has the no hair wrap technology. I have tested that on robot vacuums, and their claim to having no pet hair on those actually do work. I will be testing it on this guy as well, and I will show you how well it actually does with pet hair. Let's check out a couple more features that it has. So it has lithium ion as the battery, clean touch dirt eject, so you won't have to touch the debris at all. And then also comes with a washable filter, which is pretty nice. As well as, like I said, the pet power brush, a scrubbing brush, and a crevice tool. So it's pretty cool that it includes all that stuff with your purchase. Here's some more information about the UltraCyclone. And just another view from the top. So I always say this whenever I do a Shark product. They have the absolute best advertisement of any vacuum I've seen. They have so much clear information. The colors are really good at pops. And to me, it's just overall the best packaging out of any company. So let's go ahead and open this guy up. See what you get. Of course, you get a manual. Here is the little tiny crevice tool. Shark. Here is the power adapter to charge it. Here's what they're calling a scrubbing brush to break up some of that dirt. And here is the motorized pet tool with no hair wrap technology. Pretty cool. Definitely be testing this out. And of course, here is the main unit, and that is all that is in the box. Let's set that aside. All right, let's check out the main unit. Here's where you plug it in to charge the battery. Here is the eject button, what they call the clean touch dirt eject. So you literally just push that and it flops down into your trash can because it all gets contained down here. So when it shoots down, it won't go everywhere. So that's pretty cool. You take off this whole thing to clean it. Here's where the filter is. So this is washable. You can wash it and let it dry, and then you're good to go. Here's another foam filter. Both of these you can wash in your sink, so you don't have to buy any more filters, which is really nice. Simple to reinstall. All right, let's go down and see if there's any power, and we'll see how loud it is. It seems to only have one mode. Usually some of these will come with, you push it twice and then it increases the suction. But as of right now, I believe this only has the one power mode. Here's the crevice tool. They simply attach. Just Just by pushing them right in, that's it. Doesn't really, I'll be honest, it doesn't really feel like a ton of suction. It's possible the battery's just low, so don't take that into consideration yet until I actually run my test. When I do my test, this will be obviously fully charged. And here's the PET power attachment. So these fins that you see will beat down on your carpet, and that's what's getting down the debris that's deep down into the carpet. So it feels nice and strong. I can see this attachment doing very good. Very easy, slides right in and out. Just gonna do a super quick test with this. This is just a baseline. I have just a cup of rice here. We're gonna see how quickly it'll suck it up, how full this compartment gets, and then we'll empty it back into the cup and see just how easy everything is to use. So I'm gonna put the crevice tool in there. Turn this on. No problem at all with all that rice. Let's see how good this empties back into the cup. It might make a mess. It's not that thing's fault, obviously, but it'll be easy to clean up because I can just re-vacuum it up. So I'm just gonna push this button. I'm gonna help it lower it down because I know it's gonna make a mess. Oh no, I made a mess. What should I do? Let's go ahead and try a different attachment. I'm going to use this guy. It's more for scrubbing, but with those little lines there, I think the rice will get sucked right through there. Let's go ahead and try the PET Power Brush Pro. There we have it. Just a quick little test I wanted to do, since this is just kind of a boring unboxing, to give you an idea of how this guy works. And it looks like it sucks up pretty dang good. I'm gonna have to say, you know what guys, this thing sucks, but in a good way. So obviously I'll do a bunch of tests with this, with pet hair, a bunch of other debris. Let me know down in the comments what kind of test you want to see with this guy, and I'll make that happen. And so far, I think it's gonna be a good little handheld vacuum. This thing's about $79. So a little bit pricey for what you get, but we'll see after I do all these tests if it's worth it or not. Please do me a favor, like and subscribe. Have an awesome day, and we will see you in the next video.